Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video review, second part, video review of the unboxing of our IDW19 smartwatch. It is the ID series smartwatch loaded with health, sports, and of course, Alexa AI. So we have here the smartwatch. It has a minimalist design with a, PC body frame as well as the back cover. So we are going to check on the different menus and features offered in this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the IDW19 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the menus and features of our IDW19 smartwatch. On top, we have the quick settings. So we have here the brightness display, lift your wrist to display the screen, or to activate the screen, we have flashlight here. Okay, draining water, settings, alarm, the turn on power saving mode option, and this one I think it is anti-lost find phone. Okay, how about this one? Do not disturb mode. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. On this side we have the different features here. Main features, we have activity tracking, automatic activity tracking. We also have here beats per minute, or the heart rate monitoring. We have this one. What's this? Maybe this is the blood pressure, HRV stress. Okay, we have the sports here, sleep monitoring, weather report, music control with a volume adjustment, and we have Alexa. Okay, the same, if we swipe from left to right, the same features or the same menus. Okay, to check all the offered menus and features, just press the power button here. Okay, so we do have, again, the automatic activity tracking. So it monitors the steps taken. Again, the steps taken, calories. What we do have here, I think calories, and maybe this one is distance, time. Okay, we have the distance and recovery time, VO2 max, we also have it here, and the goal. We have, yes, we do have a support for Bluetooth call with features for call history, frequent contacts, dial pad. We have Alexa. Okay, workout records. We are going to back to workout later on. We have heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, sleep monitoring. Do we have a blood pressure? No, we don't have. We only have blood oxygen, but we have 100 sports modes. Okay, let's check again. Breathing guide, clock. Okay, on the clock we have alarm, stopwatch, and timer. Weather, cycle tracking. This is women's physiological monitoring function. We have music control, remote camera control function. We also have find phone and settings. On the settings we have the watch face. On the display we have screen brightness. Okay, screen on time. Let's make it 10. Raise to wake feature, sounds and vibration here, do not disturb mode, battery level. On a general we have power off, restart, and reset. And the about, of course, our model here, IDW19 smartwatch. Okay, going back to the sports. So we have here based on the box here, it says we do have 100 sports mode. Okay, nice. We have outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walk, indoor walk, hiking, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, cricket. We also have swimming here. So meaning we do have a very good waterproof protection for the smartwatch. We have pool swimming, open water swimming. We have yoga. Okay, what else? Cool down, core training. It says we have 100 workout modes. I guess you can add here other sports when you connect this to the support app. Workout. Let's see the workout. A very good speaker so far. So we don't have it here. Okay, let's check here. What are the sports metric that it tracks? We have the time, calories, aerobic training effect, rolling, what else? And that's it. I guess when you are doing your exercise, you can play some music here. Okay, so it has support for that. Stop. Okay. Again, based on the box here, we do have a 100 sports mode. I think the option to add more sports in the smartwatch is available in the support application. The support app for the smartwatch is the Very Fit application available on Google Play and App Store. So let's explore more on this wearable. Breathing guide, clock, weather, cycle tracking. Do we have the settings? Okay, do we have a password support? None. We don't have it here. Screen on time. So far the graphics is good, as you can see here. Very sharp. The icons is also in good quality. Okay, I like the color and the smoothness of text and the icons. We have here the heart rate. We have highs and lows here. Okay, it will show you the beats per minute, and it also has it true heart rate monitoring, as it can detect whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. Okay, for the watch face, let's explore. Okay, so that's it for our IDW19 smartwatch. The offered menus and features on the wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the wearable, the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.